Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a super deep clean of my bedroom. This includes moving all the furniture so I can get behind that and clean the walls and all of the baseboards. I'm also going to be giving my mattress and all of my sheets and my bed skirt a nice deep clean, as well as the windows. So if you guys are in need of some deep cleaning motivation, make sure to stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I wanted to do was take all of my sheets off and my pillowcases and throw those in the wash. And then I also took off the curtains because I realized they were super dusty and there was cat hair and stuff because my pets love to sit in that window. So I took those off and I was going to throw those in the washer after I did my sheets. And then it was time to really get into things, so I cleaned off my dresser, put everything away, and then I started moving some furniture so I could clean the walls and just give everything a deep clean. So to clean the walls, I just use my mop and I use just hot water and a drop of Dawn dish soap. And I tested out that little area first to make sure it didn't mess up my walls. And then I went in with my Swiffer and I just put a microfiber cloth on it and just to dry it a little bit quicker. And then I waited for that to dry and I cleaned out the rest of my furniture. If you guys are curious what mop I'm using, I will link a similar one down below in the description box. I can never find the exact one I bought, but there's a bunch like it, so I'll link it down below. I really like it. It's super easy to maneuver, and it made this project a lot less stressful, so I'll link it down below in the description box. And I also want to let you know here I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's spray, all-purpose spray, and a microfiber cloth, and just wiping down and dusting my furniture. And then once I realized that it didn't mess up my wall, I went in with my mop and cleaned the rest of this wall. If you guys are new here on my channel, I just want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alyssa and I am 22 years old. I am usually a full-time nanny when this whole pandemic isn't happening, but I've been having a lot of extra time, so I decided I wanted to do some deep cleaning. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and definitely check out some other videos on my channel. I would also love to have you guys subscribe. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload during the week. Here I went in with a magic eraser and got all the scuffs off my bathroom door. And I just love magic erasers for either white furniture or white walls and white doors. It really is a miracle worker. And then I went through this first part of my baseboards and did the same thing and just really gave them a deep clean for scuffs and also for dust. Now moving on to the next wall and piece of furniture, I decided to throw my bed skirt into the wash because it was also super dusty and it never gets cleaned, so this was the perfect time. I then moved my bed and my headboard so I could clean the walls and also vacuum because my cats like to pick at my headboard, if you can't tell. So that's what all the little black pieces are. But yeah, I went in, cleaned my walls, did the baseboards again, and gave the floor and also my mattress a nice vacuuming. So as I was vacuuming, I came across some like cat throw up under my bed that I didn't know was there, and I ended up like smearing it, and it was literally so disgusting. So I had to have my mom bring over her Spot Bot, which is like a spot cleaner. So I was waiting on her to bring that over, and I decided to vacuum my mattress. But guys, this is why you gotta move furniture and clean, because you never know what you're gonna find. Like, I was so grossed out. I don't know how long that had been there, but I'm glad that I finally got that cleaned up.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe?
So here I'm just using the Bissell Spot Bot, and like I said, it's just a spot cleaner. We've had it for years and it's worked great for us since we've had like 8,000 animals in our house. And I'll try and find it and link it down below in the description box if you guys are looking for a spot cleaner. But after I finally did that, I decided to put some new sheets on my bed, and then I wanted to tackle cleaning the windows. They've been grossing me out since I moved in like 6 months ago. So here's like a quick before of just all the dirt and dust and who knows what on here. And I literally don't want to admit, it took me a good like hour to clean both windows. I was super picky and I didn't include a lot of it in this video because like I said, it took me forever. But I went in with paper towel, Q-tips, toothpicks to get as much dirt out and dust as I possibly could.
When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
So finally, after cleaning these windows, which took forever, I decided I needed to finally get my bed together. So I took the mattress off, put the bed skirt back on, put the mattress back on, and then made my bed. And it ended up looking really sloppy. But honestly, by this point in my process of cleaning, it had been a good like 4.5 hours. And I was getting kind of lazy. So I really didn't care that my bed wasn't the best made up, but all it really mattered was that it was clean. So yeah.
come a little bit closer. Yeah, you're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never let change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah, to all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me.
We had finally reached the last wall and closet door, which was super like scuffed up. So again, I went in with my magic eraser, cleaned that off, and it looked almost brand new. So love those magic erasers, highly recommend them. And again, I just wiped down the walls, the furniture, did some vacuuming, wiped down the baseboards, and I was all done. And it felt so nice to have just a nice clean room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it gave you plenty of motivation to tackle some things today, and I will talk to you guys in a video next week. Bye.